Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today I brought a very interesting topic for you. Besides applying the typical techniques on learning Chinese language, let's do something different today. Let's play a game and learn Chinese language today. I have tried to develop a technique which will be very helpful not only for the beginner but for those also who have already learned Chinese to intermediate level or advanced level, so they will also find it interesting. And the purpose of this game is that it will make the process of learning Chinese language interesting and easy, and I will not claim that with the help of this technique you would be able to remember or memorize the Chinese character for the rest of your life, but I would say that you can remember it for a long time. So I will just let you know about the game now, and this game is about splitting the Chinese characters. We will first split the Chinese characters and then we will connect them again, the parts, and we will see the full meaning of the Chinese character. So the first split word is this, and this can be pronounced is, this is the pinyin, xi yi ji, xi yi ji, xi yi ji, xi yi ji. Xi yi ji means the first one is xi yi ji, okay, third tone, second, first, okay. So let's split this word and then we will see in the end that what is the meaning of these characters individually and what is the meaning of these characters when they combined. So xi means to wash, okay, and when it is added with e means cloths, okay. It is a short form of ifu, okay, cloths. I will show you it later. And it is added with g means machine. So wash cloths machine. Okay, you can guess what could be the final character. Yes, you guessed it right. It is washing machine, जिसमें हम कपड़े धोते हैं, ठीक है. So CEG means washing machine, wash cloths machine. Okay, so isn't it easy? Okay, let's just try another word. And the second word, split word, is this, and this is the pinyin of this, shou in ji, okay. Let's split it now. So shou means to receive, okay. It is added with yin means voice, okay, and G means machine, as you studied earlier. So what do you guess what it could be? It will be displayed in front of you now, and here it is. It is a radio. So a radio is a machine which receives voice, okay, which receives voice, and we listen voice through it. So it is thus known as shou yin ji. Okay, now third split word is this, and this is the pinyin, feng che. Feng means wind. It is added with che, vehicle. So it is something like a wind vehicle, or a vehicle which could work upon the force of wind. So what it could be? So this is a windmill, okay, you got it. Feng che. Let's proceed to the split word number 4. This is this one, and this is the pinyin, fei xing yuan, Fei Xing Yuan. Let's split this one. Fei means to fly. It is added with Xing. Oh, sorry, that was the first one. The second tone is Xing. Xing. Xing means to travel. Okay, and then it is Yuan. Yuan. Yuan is a person who is working on a post in a specific field, or he is working in a specific organization, so he is like a staff member. Okay, so if we combine these characters together, we could see that it is a person who is working on some post, who fly and who travels by flying. So who could that be? It is easier for us now, that a person who is working in an organization who travels by flying. So who could that be? Yes, you get it. This is a pilot. Okay, now word number 5th, this, and this is the pinyin, jiu sheng yi, jiu sheng yi, jiu sheng yi, jiu sheng yi. So jiu means to save, to rescue, and it is added with sheng. Sheng is basically used for birth, but when someone someone is born, it means that someone is getting a new life. Okay, so by getting birth, someone is getting a new life, and it is added with e. E means cloths, as we studied earlier. So it is the cloths which are used for saving someone's life. So what that could be? Yes, this is a life jacket. Okay, jiu sheng yi, jiu sheng yi, jiu sheng yi. Okay, split word number 6th, and this is the pinyin, kao mian bao ji, kao mian bao ji, kao mian bao ji. So split this one. Kao means to roast, mian bao is bread, ji is machine. So what this could be, that which a machine which is roasting a bread. So this is a toaster. Isn't it easy and interesting? So I hope that you will not forget these characters for a long time now. Let's discuss the 7th split word, and that is yin shui ji, yin shui ji, yin shui ji, yin shui ji, yin shui ji. So what is this yin? Yin means to drink, but it is rarely used by Chinese people in conversation. Mostly they use the word he for drinking. Okay, this could be used rarely in a conversation, but this means to drink. Okay, so you have to remember this. And this is combined with xue. Xue means water, and ji means machine. So now you can guess that what it could mean. Drink water machine. So it is a water cooler. Okay, the 8th split word is shu zhuang tai, shu zhuang tai, shu zhuang tai. Shu means comb, and zhuang means makeup, and tai means table or desk. So combining them, that a table which is used for makeup and combing hair, so it could be a dressing table. Okay, now let's proceed to 9th, and this one is xi yi lan, xi yi lan, xi yi lan, xi yi lan. Xi means to wash, yi cloths, short form of yi fu, yi fu, yi fu, and lan means basket. So wash cloths, basket. So it is a laundry basket. And let's discuss the 10th word and the final word. It is can jin, can jin, can jin. So can means food or meal, and jin is piece of cloth. So it is a square piece of cloth which is used at the time of eating to protect your garments and to clean your mouth. etc. So you can use it. And this piece of cloth is napkin. Okay, so this was all for today. I hope that you would have learned a lot of things from this lecture and you would have liked it. If you like